Hello traders, FpC Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen, I still think this looks like a big 1, 2, 3. This is probably a 4, and I still think we're in a wave 5, which I do not believe is over. I still think it's going to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before we do get the end of this trend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I believe this is a wave 3. I think this is a wave 4, and I do believe that we are making higher highs, higher lows, and that this trend will continue, probably at least up to the 157 area to finish off the uptrend. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see the last trend within a trend. This right here is looking like it may be over. I think that this is going to go down to make a crescent, maybe even a big crescent like one of these bigger ones in the past. But I think it is going to be another crescent, and I think once that crescent is over, it will continue the uptrend. So let's keep going down to take a closer look at that on the 4 hour, because on the 4 hour is where you can see the impulsive down with a break of structure, which to me pretty much proves that this move up is over. I think this move down right here is an A. I think this move up is a crescent like a wave B, and I think it is possibly going to go down, make a pretty good sized downtrend for a wave C, probably prior to tomorrow's CPI news, before we get that impulsive up, break of structure, and continuation of the uptrend. ABC down, tomorrow's CPI I bet is going to cause the end of a crescent, continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, to me it looks like we may already have the end of a crescent. It looks like impulsive down, wave A. Then we see impulsive up, which is a wave A of B. And then I think this is a crescent down like a wave B of B, which that's not a very nice B, B of B. And then this is probably a wave C. Now we are right at the 50% fib level, so if this does go down and break structure to the downside, that's probably going to be the end of this ABC of B, and it's probably going to end up continuing down for the next 24 hours or so until tomorrow's news to make that wave C, just like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So if you do see a break of structure to the downside, I think that would be a very nice shorting opportunity, and then I would probably exit my short prior to tomorrow's news and maybe even go long at the news, depending on how that turns out. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.